Happy St. Patrick's Day. We're gonna mix it up a bit today and do a St. Patrick's quiz for fun. However, lucky for you, buying and selling real estate isn't a quiz to know the right information when you have a knowledgeable realtor working for you. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and today we're gonna do a fun quiz. But if you're looking to purchase a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate, we would love an opportunity to talk with you about how we assist people in reaching their home goals. All right, number one on the quiz. St. Patrick's background was Irish, British, or Welsh? The correct answer is British. Next, how did St. Patrick get to Ireland? His dad got a job in Dublin, he walked there, or he was kidnapped? Yes, he actually was kidnapped, and that's how he got to Ireland. Lastly, St. Patrick escaped from slavery to what country? Italy, Romania, or France? The correct answer is France. Once again, if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, it's not a quiz to have the right information. Reach out today or comment below with questions you have on today's housing market, and make sure to subscribe for sharing in our favorite Kansas City neighborhoods.